Hello and welcome to our video invitation to visit our booth number 4A60 at the upcoming Big5 Saudi exhibition in Riyadh. We are excited to announce that we will be showcasing revolutionary new products for the Saudi market that is sure to change the way you think about sealing commercial HVAC duct systems. The RS100 is a water-based microbial-resistant spray duct sealant engineered to seal joints, penetrations, and seams from inside of the HVAC ductwork. The superior physical properties of this non-tack sealant meets and exceeds the SMACMA pressure classes up to 16-inch water column, and its flexibility allows for system operation without the RS100 cracking. RS100 spray sealant resists microbial growth on the surface of the sealant. It's UL listed and carries the UL Green Guard Gold certification. Foil Grip 1402 is a thick, pressure-sensitive, 40-year cycle, general-purpose rolled mastic sealant. It provides an instant, water-resistant grip to most surfaces, including sheet metal, flex duct, PVC-coated ducts. Foil Grip 1402 is a true zero VOC UL classified rolled mastic sealant that is suitable for applications on SMACMA pressure classes up to 20-inch water column. Both of these products are made in the USA. Sealing existing and new HVAC ducts in commercial buildings can provide a number of benefits, including improved energy efficiency, enhanced indoor air quality, extended equipment life, and increased comfort. By sealing these duct systems, building owners can not only save money, but also create a better environment for their occupants. We invite you to come visit our booth 4A60 and learn more about how our products can benefit your business. Our team will be on hand to answer any questions and provide demos of these products in action. Please, don't miss this opportunity to see the future of HVAC sealing technology. We hope to see you at the Big5 exhibition. Thank you for considering the visit, and we look forward to meeting you soon.